Hi, in this lecture I will explain you what are all the different types of errors which can occur while applying Vlookup formula and how to correct these errors in Vlookup formula. You may get different types of error when you put Vlookup formula. That can be any error, or it can be reference error, value error, or it can be name error. So let us see different situation when you may get these errors and how to address these issues. Any error in VLOOKUP. So in case if you are doing approximate match in the formula and the value provided or lookup value provided here is below the smaller value in the lookup table, then you will get any error. In case if you are doing exact match and the lookup value is not available in the lookup table, that means the value which you are searching for is not available in the table, then it will return an error. And also in case if you are looking for a particular value and it is not available in the leftmost column of the VLOOKUP table, so then you will get an error because this value you will not get in the leftmost column. And in case if you want to search for this, you will have to put the formula from this column. To overcome this, you can change the reference like this, and you can change the column index number also to 2. Then you will get the results. Next one is a reference error. So this can happen in case if the reference is not valid in the formula. In case if you delete some rows or columns where you have given the table reference, or if you are using the relative reference, then this kind of error can happen. To correct this error, you can give the correct reference in the formula. And also in case if the column index number is more than the number of columns in the table as reference, then also you may get this reference error. Here in this case the table consists of 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, but if the column index is given more than 4, then it will show reference error. To correct this, you can give the correct column index number. Next error is value error. This can happen in case if we have not provided the column index number, or the column index number provided is less than 1. In case if we define column index number as 0.5, which is not a valid column, so it will show value error. To correct this, we can give correct column index number. Similarly, in case if the lookup value length is more than 255 characters, then also it will return value error. Next error is name error. This can happen if you make a spelling error. So here instead of VLOO, I have entered only VLO. So by correcting the function name, we can avoid this error. Similarly, in case if the column index number is not a valid number, if we enter a text in column index, it will show name error. Similarly, the range lookup, that is to define whether it is an approximate match or exact match, we can use true or false or 1 and 0. If this value is anything other than these values, then it will show name error. To avoid this one, we can correct this formula by entering 0 or false for exact match. So now you will get the results. That's how you can correct the VLOOKUP formula. In case if you want to know more, you can read the article and the link provided below.